Good morning! Today I am doing a kind of workshop for my drama class and we're all heading into my school. It is currently the holidays. Since I'm in the HSC, we have these workshops that we can go into school for and like study or whatever, but it's more act kind of because it's drama. Today is art, tomorrow is drama.
Nope, scratch that, reverse it.
Awesome, let's get breakfast. Three, two, one, kapow. One, kapow. No, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah, damn it. I really thought I was gonna get that. Anyway, I'm a child. I'm not gonna lie. My room is such a big fat mess because I'm in the middle of packing. That's my only excuse, and there's like a tiny little bit of the room that's used for that. But I will not be showing it because you don't want to see that. But I don't know what to wear. It's freezing. It is freezing. Thinking jeans and a shirt. So creative. Looking super fresh. Chose such an awesome outfit. White shirt and jeans. Oh my god, I don't know what's going on with my hands today. I genuinely can't keep my hands to myself. Doing my makeup, kind of failing because I'm like not in the mood, but I also am in the mood and I want to do something super fun. Pink eyeliner vibes, except I don't have eyeliner. Let's get, ooh, what am I doing? This is such an odd angle, holy crap. Yes, I don't have any eyeshadow things, so I'll be back. Oh, Loki, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing and this was a mistake. I've packed up the goodies. I've got bread rolls and I've got chicken and donuts. Juicy bad boys.
Hello.
You want to say hello?
I'm trying to wear that to
I hate being at school on the holidays. What the freak?
You just need to study in the group.
Woo!
Isn't this space so much nicer with all the windows and blinds open?
So slay. Except it's gonna be hard to move the blocks on the carpet.
Oh.
We'll just be extra muscly. Okay, I need to get the chicken out. Put it in the fridge. Oh, Noreen! Oh, what are you doing, Sophie?
Queens.
It's okay. Hey guys.
I was literally here 2 seconds ago.
Yeah, I passed your mum on the way in.
Yeah, she drove me all the way into the school. This way? We're in the teacher's staff room. Feels like a crime. Oh my god, it's so big. No way. Bye chicken. Bye chica. So colourful, Loki. Oh, this is so wholesome.
Oh, Casey, I can take me back. Really?
Well, I saw the sign. Oh my god, is the Wi-Fi still on?
Yeah, it is. I connected to it.
Oh, okay. These layers. There we go, awesome sauce. I'm currently working on my IP. We just did about 2 hours of work on our GP. I realise now that you don't even know what that means. GP is a group project, which is for HSC, the final performance. And then IP is individual project. Juicy.
And you can't sweep you off of your feet. Darling, I
Will be loving you till
we're 17.
Oh, sorry, what was the time? The time is 11:59. So it's lunch. Let's break out this chicken.
Let's go get some lunch, mother truckers. Hi guys. We are now going to walk to the other side of the school.
To see our art besties.
Art bestie. How's your drama going, Queen?
I was actually really like, say it this way, and then it was so much better.
gorgeous.
You know all the coral that.
This is so Slayer.
Are you making a vlog?
I'm vlogging today.
Oh, okay.
So I've just come to say hi because
That's really good.
I'm bored. Hi everybody. Is it gonna be finished?
Yeah. Finished.
No way.
So I don't need to take it home.
No coral though.
I kind of get the point he was saying. And he said it looks like each student did one coral in a primary school work and they stuck it on a community like. And I was like.
That's a bit disrespectful, sir.
That's so funny. Do you want to make a wish?
Oh, she's got
I bet that's my
dandelion.
brother
Don't
wants
you
me.
dare blow that all over my work.
Ready? Let's do it together. Think of a wish because I always forget to make a wish.
Okay. Wait, hang on. I don't have it yet. Okay, got it.
3, 2.
You meant to blow it.
Oh no! No!
It's gonna stick to me.
Oh my god. Why? It's so sad when this happens. I mean, it means that the wish isn't going to come true.
Oh, don't tell me about a 2-for-1.
Yeah, surely. Is that a chicken house?
They were meant to get chickens, weren't they?
There is chickens?
No, there isn't chickens that are meant to.
What? Oh.
Oh, what are you doing in drama? That's what I said.
Who are they? Who are the ones that aren't here? See, I mean,
And Fraser has work.
to be...
Silver dollars and champagne for the trouble. It's a
That's a crime. That is a crime.
just like you
We'll do the whole night throw down. Ready? What the fuck? 5, 6, 7, 8. Pop it, lock it, polka dot it, country, side to side, glide.
Oh, it's so good.
Box step, zigzag, cross and diagonal. When
it
the
up.
drum hits, hands on your hips. 1 foot in 180 twist.
Oh, my.
How we roll. Do the hoe. Is it TikTok?
Hold down.
No, do the hoe down. You don't know the
Hold
hoe down.
down. I don't know it, don't worry.
Down at country five and hip hop it, but you like in scammers.
Why are you going so fast? I'm not insane. That was a successful rehearsal, guys. Woo!
Best bit on it.
Oh, he has a knife. That was
Okay.
disgusting.
the egg-
So basically, the reason
That was
her eyes
disgusting
are
in the
like
best
that is because. Also, like, I think it's a bit too violent for HSC.
Really?
Yeah.
I threw it all away. Literally.
Hello. I'm Nora. I'm not defensive, okay? I'm tired. Hey guys. It is day 2 of school in the holidays. I'm going to my art workshop. I was supposed to be there at 9, but I actually didn't want to go there at 9. It is 9:30 now. I haven't had breakfast yet either. And it's raining, which is beautiful because I have to take my artwork home today and it's a watercolor.
Bring an umbrella.
What?
Bring an umbrella.
Yeah, but do you know how big my artwork is? It ain't gonna
Bring a big
fit under
umbrella.
one umbrella.
Bunnings
I'm gonna
umbrella.
need 4
Bunnings.
Okay, this is the fit as well. It's also basic. Instead of a white shirt, I'm wearing a black shirt today with the same jeans. Don't act like you don't wear the same jeans multiple days in a row. Thanks. Here. That's the vibe. Finn, why are you sitting like that? You look so...
Getting ready for the day.
Let's go get some awesome breakfast.
It's like, oh, I don't want to feel sick in hand.
I think I had the same thing for breakfast yesterday.
What?
Oh.
I just came to share.
Yeah. What are you sharing?
I don't have anything to share, do I?
What? So why'd you come in here? Did you not have anything to say? I'm confused.
They're discussing the layers that you should add to your work, and I'm so strong on the fact that you should put it.
No.
You don't have to do spray paint, but just like some other layer.
No,
but like,
absolutely not. Update, I didn't add any layers because I like it.
see, can you imagine this one with like hot pink over the top?
Yeah.
Like, I know you don't want to, but it's actually such a, like, cool. Cool. No, like, you get what I'm saying? Like,
I do.
she does not.
If you can convince her, you know blind.
Because they know they can't convince me, they're too scared to approach me. The teacher said these guys because they're too scared to approach me. That is funny as.
Did they say they were scared to approach?
No, they didn't. They just remember.
Okay, but why wouldn't they come
If
up to
you
me?
can convince her, and it's not this was like, yeah, because you know.
They think
why.
they think you're pretty set on your thing.
Yeah, because you are.
There's another way.
Like, this is already good.
I give up.
Am I that scary?
You're pretty scary.
My teachers are scared to approach me. What the hell, boy? Georgia! Queen. This is a good way to get wet. And dirty. It was good when it was clean. Secured the tie! So nice and warm.
Silver dollars and champagne for the trouble. It's a t-shirt in the backseat of your car. Head down just like your father taught you. Stick around when the walls start to fall.
Hello, I now drove home. I'm watching some YouTube and I'm gonna paint some more because I want to get some more done.
Good God, does anybody notice you sat at the table and you listened to her scream? I know we've had a few too many. I'm not sure what to believe. Beauty queens and rock and rollers, crystal glasses, Coca-Cola.
Been painting for actually forever, but I've made quite a bit of progress. I just need to fill in these white chunks. Awesome!
Yeah, well, I think she is possibly right, but she hasn't said anything to help us out because